Please check the comments for links to the tools and devices we use. From our house to your house. Hi, this is Chris from Tech-HAUS with a DIY video for installing the CASA Wi-Fi HS200 switch. Let's cover the tools you may need. First, we need a multi-head screwdriver with slot, Robinson, and Phillips heads. An extra small slot screwdriver. A set of pliers with side cutters. A wire stripping tool. A non-contact voltage detector. An outlet testing tool. And a pair of needle nose pliers. You may not need every tool for every job, but having at least these ensures you have what you need. Inside the CASA Smart Wi-Fi Switch HS200 box are wire labels, 2 mounting screws, 4 Moret wire connectors, a single pole switch, and a wall cover plate. Let's get started. Before removing the existing switch, we need to ensure that the power is off. Using the contactless voltage detector, check for power. As you can see, we still have power. We will need to turn off the power at the electric panel. Checking the switch again, we see that the power is off and it is safe to proceed. In this case, we have a cover plate that can be removed with a small slot screwdriver. Then we can remove the cover plate mount screws. After removing the mounting screws, the switch can now be removed from the wall. As a precaution, we test the wires behind the switch to ensure it is safe to continue. No power detected. Let's continue. Using a Robinson or slot screwdriver, we can disconnect the line and load wires from the switch. Using a slot screwdriver, loosen the ground screw and remove the ground wire from the switch. The switch is now completely disconnected and can be removed. Using the needle nose pliers, we can straighten any hooks in the wire so we can connect them to the new switch with Morets. Normally, we would label the load and line wires with the supplied labels. The line wire is where the power comes from the panel, and the load wire goes to the device that the switch operates. CASA switches have 2 black wires for line and load, and it does not matter how they are hooked up. The CASA switch also has a neutral and ground wire. Using the supplied Morets, we will connect the line, load, neutral, and ground wires on the new switch. If the wires are both solid copper, we would pre-twist the wires together with pliers, then twist on the Moret. The CASA switch has soldered braided wire, and we found that placing the 2 wires in the Moret and twisting creates a solid connection. In this case, the circuit continued onto another device, so we used a large Moret to accommodate the additional wires. Wires can be tucked neatly back into the wall and the switch mounted using the supplied screws. Remove the plastic from the supplied wall plate and align the opening in the edge of the cover to the bottom of the switch. Press the cover firmly until it clicks into place. Turn on the power at the panel to energize the switch. The switch will have a circle light flashing between orange and green, meaning it is ready to be configured. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the Wi-Fi switch. Check out our other videos on setting up your new Wi-Fi switch with the Casa and Alexa apps. From our house to your house. Do not forget to check the comments for links to the tools and devices we use. We hope you found this video useful and informative. Thank you for choosing Tech-HAUS DIY videos.